reason why I came to Croatia was, number one, vacation, getaway, and having some fun. The other reason was what we're doing here today. We are making a crypto mining farm in Croatia. The reason I chose Croatia, number one, women are very beautiful here. Number two, the time zone, nice area. And number three, the electricity costs. So I have a friend here that I'm going to be meeting up with. I already met up with him earlier this week. He's already set up one test rig. So we're going to look at the data. We're going to do some math. We're going to see if we're making any money off of it. So far, we're currently mining Ethereum. I know it's going to be switching over to the proof of stake. So Ethereum is no longer mineable. It's going to be stakeable instead. At that point, we're going to switch over to like Ravencoin, something like this, and mine that instead. I don't think we're going to go completely nuts with this. Like, we're not going to be putting hundreds of thousands of dollars into it. We are looking to set up multiple rigs. Right now, the current rig is running with, I think, 4 or 6 GPU, and we're doing the what is it? The 3060 Ti. Let's go drive down there pretty soon. I already have some breakfast, some coffee, and we got to look at the actual rigs here, and we're going to have to think about how we're expanding, how we're going to actually make a profit off of this. Done my drive in this beautiful city here, driving around. It was absolutely stunning. The current rig is running at my buddy's place, so we're just going to see the setup right now. It's only been running for a couple weeks, see if it's made any money yet. After we start scaling, then we're going to start moving to a warehouse. So it's just at his place right now, so I'm walking down the hill. I'll go check it out. What we're currently looking at is we have 4 GPUs running on one rig. We can upgrade that to be 8 GPUs on that same rig. Right now, we're getting about 235 mega hash per hour, and we're being charged, let's say, about 10 cents per kilowatt hour. I had thought Croatia was a little bit cheaper. It's basically the same as Canada, so we might do a split thing, but I don't actually have a house in Canada right now, so it's better to just do it right here.
We'll be adding more to the crypto rig there. I just had to kind of see how we're setting things up. That was the first rig, started making money on it already.
I think we spent about 6K, and it's going to take us about 10, 11 months to pay this off, so we can say a rough ROI of a year. This is pretty much what we were expecting. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to drop 20K on it. We're going to get 16 rigs, 16 GPUs across 2 rigs just to start off, and then stack those up. So I think within the first year, we're going to make some money, and then everything else after that is gravy.
It was the other day, he asked me, want to go to the Russians place with me, like, get fucked.
Yeah.
I was like, no, they got it with Willa, but what the fuck am I going to do? And he goes, I'm going. Next day I asked him, how was the Russians place? There's this girl, I asked her if she want to have sex, and she said yes. Now I know.
That's it.
Now I know who he had sex with.
Just like girl.
Yeah,
That's a small town, eh?
Yeah.
Great day there. Let's have some orange juice. Perfect. We went hiking. We went to the beach. We looked at the first rig that was set up, did some calculations, and talked about where we're going to be expanding to. Grab a glass for the orange juice. Perfect. Ugh. Just brushed my teeth. Yum. I'm a little bit worried about mining not being as popular in the future. I'm a little bit worried about what's going to happen when the Ethereum switches over to proof of stake from proof of work, and then we can't mine it anymore. I think these other coins are going to cause a giant crash of people selling them, so I might actually short some of these other coins. There's a tip for you guys when Ethereum hits proof of stake. The other thing we need to make note of is that the possibility of price fluctuations in the market. Because I am a trader, I do understand what's most likely going to be profitable of when we're going to be selling. So when we're in a bull market here, we're going to be holding a little bit longer, and then we're going to be able to make a little bit more money. In the bear market, we're going to be selling off immediately just because bear market's generally going to be going down. We might be able to swing trade these a little bit depending on when our cash out periods are. But again, as a trader, as a positional trader who basically can predict the Bitcoin market to a T, so we can kind of know roughly where the price is going to be going. That's all we really need to know for taking profits. After things move over to Ethereum, the plan is to check out how its profitability is, and then decide if we wanted to add more after that. But I think 20K is a good starting number here. We'll be making about $2,000 per month after electricity costs. So that's a nice just chunk of change. That basically pays some car payments and whatnot, pays your rent or whatever. So if you guys like that content, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, whatever. We're gonna be checking up on this more in the future. I'll probably do another couple videos to this, keep you guys updated with how the crypto mining is going, along with other crypto related things. We might try some staking and whatnot. Staking is not my thing, but that's about it.